To hide apps on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and then we'll be able to find the options called security and privacy. Then we can scroll down again to hide apps, and if you enter it, you can unlock your device, and it may ask you to set up privacy password. Make sure to add that password, and then you can get started with hiding app. Now you need to choose how you're going to access those hidden apps, through access code that you're going to input in the phone dialer or through the home screen folder. Now I'm going to go for the access code. Of course, you can go for home screen folder if you like. Now we need to go to the settings and enter the code that we want to use. It always needs to start with hash, and then we can enter the code. So let's go with 1, and then we need to finish it with hash again. Click on done, and that way our setup is almost done. Let's add apps that we want to hide. So for example, I'm gonna go for a app Amazon Shopping. So I want to completely hide it, or we can hide it partially, which will hide it from home screen and certain system settings, but completely hiding it will be erased entirely. You'll be able to find it only in that secure folder or in the phone dialer. So now if we go into phone dialer, we can insert the code that we've entered, and then there's a app that we've hidden. Just to show you, let's try to find it normally without that. So Amazon Shopping is gone. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.